In this video, I will show you how to make money dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. So first create your eBay and Amazon account, and now a simple way you can do this that is not very efficient is to click on sell in eBay, then select a product on Amazon you want to buy, for example a candle. So let's say you want to sell this candle right here on eBay and you want to dropship it from Amazon to eBay. Then the way most people do it is they just go to eBay, make a listing, so click list an item, then enter the name here. And then here just give it the name, the condition, and enter the pictures manually from Amazon, so just saving them from here and uploading them right here. So then when somebody buys the product from you on eBay, you go ahead and order it on Amazon and ship it out to them. Now this is a very inefficient way to do this. A much better way to do this that automates pretty much the entire process is to use AutoDS. AutoDS is a tool that helps you import products from Amazon to eBay and does the order fulfillment for you completely automatically. So as you can see, they have a 14-day trial for $1 usually, but if you use the link in the description to create your account, you can get a 30-day completely free trial. So when you click on the link in the description, you will come into this page. So it's very easy, just sign up with Google or fill in your details manually right here. Now here they ask where you want to sell, so we want to dropship from Amazon to eBay, so select eBay right here and click continue. Now here pick one of these packages. So this is the amount of products that you can import onto your eBay account. So I'll just use the starter 400 package here, and now as you can see you can get a 30-day free trial. So click 30-day free trial and then select your payment method, so PayPal, Payoneer or your credit card, and then click on continue. So now after you have created your account, just go ahead and close this, and now you need to add your store. So click add store, then select your eBay target, so for me United States. Now you can select non-API, which will be an extra $10 per month, but I do actually recommend just keeping this on because it will save you money and it will help you send automatic tracking updates, automatic messages to buyers and the customer support management system. So then click finish. And now here you need to sign into your eBay account. And now I have connected my eBay account. Now simply go back to AutoDS. Now what you want to do is read this and then click on agree. And then after doing that you have connected your eBay store, so it's really easy. And now it's very simple to add products. All you need to do is click add products right here. Then click either a single product, multiple product, winning products, or use the AutoDS finder. But if you want to add a product from Amazon, click single product. Now here for the supplier source, what you want to do is go ahead and select Amazon and then here enter the URL of the product. So I'll just select a product from Amazon right now. So just find a product that you would like to sell on eBay, so it can be any product on Amazon. So what I usually do is I go to a category, so I click shop by department, then see all, and then pick one of these options, for example pet supplies, and then just click dogs or cats or whatever you want. And then here filter by best sellers. And then, for example, if you want to sell this product right here, so this dog bed, just open up the product and copy the link. Then go back to AutoDS, paste it in right here and click on edit now. Now here you will see the product. Now you want to change the title, so on eBay it can be a maximum of 80 characters. So I'll just remove all of this. Now choose a category, add some tags that are relevant. Now choose the shipping method, so you can do cheapest with tracking or fastest with tracking. I'll keep it at cheapest with tracking. Now of course from Amazon it's a very fast shipping to the United States. Now just fill in any more details right here and then click on save and import. So now it's being imported onto your eBay store. And when this is done, it will be on your eBay store, and when a person buys it on eBay, AutoDS will order it on Amazon and ship it directly to the person on eBay, provide shipping updates and tracking updates, and everything that you usually need to do, AutoDS does for you automatically. So you can see your orders right here. So if you have an order on eBay, it will show here, and then AutoDS will go out and fulfill that order for you. So basically by using AutoDS instead of doing it manually, you can add products really easily to your eBay store. You can get a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out completely for free. And you don't need to worry about the order fulfillment since AutoDS does this for you. So then the difference for what you sell it on eBay and what you buy it for on Amazon is what you make, of course. So that's how to make money dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.